The moss becomes our feather bed, where dreams in circles wind. Your fingers brush my trembling hands with touches soft and kind. I sing of realms of wonder, where our souls roam free and far, and wrap your thoughts in lullabies spun gently from a star. Sleep within my arms tonight as constellations rise, for love itself is magic born beneath these emerald skies. I'll hold you close till morning breaks and all the shadows part, and the stars will spin their lullaby to cradle both